Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Advanced English Vocabulary. Today is our three words or word 43 is complicit, word 44 is facile, and word 45 is complacent. Complicit means involved in wrongdoing or sharing responsibility for that, associating with anyone in any ill doing or anything or a wrong activity. Its synonyms are involved, accomplice, and collaborative. Collaborate with someone in any wrong activity, in any negative activity. Its sentences: she was complicit in the plan to deceive others. She was associated with. She partnered someone who was doing this activity of deceiving others. So you are involved in any negative activity, either directly or indirectly, but you share the responsibility for that. The next word is facile. It means easily done or achieved. Like you have done something without making any effort or making more efforts. Its synonyms are easy, simple, and effortless. And its sentences: the instructions were so facile that I completed the task quickly. Like the instructions were so easy and the command were so easy that they were accomplished easily without any effort. The next word is complacent. Complacent means someone who is very willing to please others, someone who agrees with everyone in all the conditions, in every situation. And its synonym is obedient, amenable, and agreeable. Its sentence is: his complacent nature made him easy to work with anyone, like tent. So these were our three words. We will see you with the next three words. Till that time, take care and support us, our channel, by subscribing, liking, and sharing it. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.